At Data.ai, we help B2B companies discover quality leads and drive pipeline. You're a sales manager selling a single sign-on product assigned to the finance vertical in the United States. You have aggressive sales targets but do not have sufficient pipeline coverage. Start with top apps and select the United States and the finance vertical to quickly build an initial prospect list. Next, filter these companies by app features such as login to refine your list. App Explorer is another option to build pipeline using granular attributes. For example, to identify high-value prospects with significant growth potential, set the download change criteria to greater than 30%. Next, select monthly active users greater than 1 million. Aggressive sales targets are always a challenge, but with Data.ai, you can quickly identify high-value prospects to drive the pipeline you need to be successful.